How to access restricted content on Bluesky. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Bluesky or move into any of the website. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Head over to Settings at the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside the settings, you need to move into Moderation. In this page, in the section of Content Filters, you can see the option where it says Enable Adult Content. You simply have to toggle on this option. Once you have enabled, you need to set all of these settings to So. Once done, you will have the access to all of the restricted content on Bluesky, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.